Well, I hope I'm going to remember all these words because I got this thing where, you know, I can hide my own Easter eggs. And there's an awful lot of...
You left us in the trailer.
Thanks. I don't dare put it down. I'm going to forget where I put it.
I'll hide it for you.
Don't hide it. Hold on to it for me. It's a great story about the old West back in the old days. Hard to relate to these days, but let's see if we can bring you back to, I don't know, this sounds like a story that might have been somewhere in the 1800s sometime. There's a blizzard coming on, now I'm wishing I was home. But my pony's lame and he can't hardly stand. Listen to that wind howl, if we don't get home we'll die. For it's still 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling and it seems mighty like a woman screams, and we best be moving faster if we can. My horsey Dan, think about that barn and that hay so soft and warm. We're only 3 more miles to Marianne. Only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, you ornery cuss, get up, you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest. For it's still 100 yards to Marianne. It's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He'd have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. They found him there at dawn, his hands frozen to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. Thank you, the great Jim Reeves song. Thank you.